You came across smoother than whiskey over ice. Should've seen sooner through the disguise. You're feeling no shame as I'm cursing your name in the bottom of the glass. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. Now that I'm sober, I see that you ain't that fine. Now that it's over, I'm taking back what was mine. I'm done sipping lies, I've severed the ties and cut that monkey loose. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. I need a chaser. I'm done with the rocks, I'm done with the shots. It's time to shake things up. 'Cause a boy like you close your heart ain't good to when I'm done with the hangover. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best for myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. After you. I need a chaser after you.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance tracing shots. 32 count to wall rolling count. This one we start up until long 2 after count 24, facing 12 o'clock. Now the dance. First section, weights on the left, start with the right. Side slightly diagonal. Cross side rock, flick behind. Cross side back swoop, 130. Back swoop, 3 o'clock. Step back, touch left toes forward. Step forward, together quarter cross, 12 o'clock. Next section, step on side, 3/4 turn, step forward, forward, half turn swoop. Cross side, rock back, 10:30, recover, forward, forward, hitch. Step on side, 3 o'clock. Next section, side, cross, side, point diagonal, side, cross, side, point diagonal. Sway left forward, 7:30. Sway right, step forward, hitch. Back half, forward half. Last section. Step on side, swing to 6 o'clock. Cross side together. Cross side behind side. Cross side behind hitch. Behind side cross. Now the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and up, 2, 3 and up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up. This one we start up until 1, 2 after count 24. 1, 2 start at 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up, and then start the new one, 1. So this is the whole dance of July, okay? And we'll see you next time.
You came across smoother than we